Assalamu alaikum students. Today's topics are stanza comprehension of unit number 4, essay science in the service of mankind, grammar, transitive intransitive verbs, clauses. Class 10, subject English. Now coming to the stanza comprehension of unit number 4, the dreams. Poem The Dreams. Read the stanza and answer the question. Stanza number 1 is written shortly. Questions. We must hold fast to what? We must hold fast to dreams. What would happen if dreams die? If dreams die, life is a broken winged bird that cannot fly. Are dreams important for us? Yes, dreams are important for us. What is the name of the poem and the poet? The name of the poem is Dream. The name of the poem is Dream and the poet name is Langston Hughes. Stanza number 2. Stanza is written shortly. Questions. What would happen if dreams go? If dreams go, life is a barren field frozen with snow. What does the word barren means? The word barren means land too poor to produce much or any vegetation. Why does the poet emphasize to hold fast to dreams? The poet emphasized to hold fast to dreams because without dreams, life is hopeless and stagnant which has no motion. What is the name of the poem and the poet? The name of the poem is Dreams and the name of the poet is Langston Hughes. So you have to write down these stanza comprehension into your copy. Now coming to essay. Essay, the topic of essay is science in the service of mankind. Service, khidmat, mankind, insan ki. We are living in an age of science. Miracles of science have changed our lives. The best of the comforts and luxuries that we have today are the contribution of science. Science has made our life easy and comfortable. It has reduced the time, space and distance. Full stop. Coming to paragraph number 2. The inventions of science have revolutionized the world of transport. Revolutionized इनकलाब बर्पा किया. In the world of transport, आमदोरफ्त के शोबे में इनकलाब बर्पा किया. The distance is meaningless today. We have aeroplanes, cars, bullet trains, ships or etc. Within a short time, we can cover a very long distance. The world has turned smaller due to these fast means of transport. Means Zarai. Man has succeeded in landing on the moon. The means of transport have enabled us to explore the possibility of life on other planets. Space travel is a reality today. Third paragraph. One of the greatest boons of science to mankind is electricity. Boons, good work or blessings. It has brought a lot to change our lives. It has removed darkness. It runs our machines and has lessened human toil. Lessen, reduced, toil, efforts. It has increased industrial productivity and efficiency. Electricity has made the life of housewife easy. Now she has machines and other appliances to lessen her work. Electricity runs trains and metro trains. We cannot think of life without electricity. Power cut of few minutes causes a great inconvenience. Power cut, bijli ki adam farahmi. Inconvenience, discomfort. With the help of science, man can cause artificial rain. Next paragraph. It has done many goods to mankind. Science has given us computer and internet. We can have accessibility to any sort of information at the press of the key. Any sort, any kind of. Accessibility, rasai. Science has helped us to conquer many deadly diseases. Conquered, fatah karna, deadly diseases, janleva bimariyan. Diseases like tuberculosis, or in short, it is termed as TB. Diseases like tuberculosis and cancer are no longer considered dangerous and incurable. Incurable, naqabile ilaj. Operations performed in a painless way. In addition, new ultra scanning and plastic surgery are the wonders of science. Next paragraph. But every silver cloud has a dark lining. Science is both constructive and destructive. Tamiri or takhribi, tabahi karne wala. It has given nuclear bomb, hydrogen bomb, fighter plane, sophisticated assault guns, pistols and rifles, laser bomb, missiles and rocket can cause destruction and damage at a distant place. Next paragraph. The science has created a lot. It is an instrument which needs to be used with rationality. Rationality aqlmandi ke saath. It is a blessing so long as it is used with care and caution. It depends on us how we use it. So it was essay Science in the Service of Mankind. Now coming to the grammar portion. Transitive verb. What is transitive verb? It is a kind of verb. So the transitive verb is word that takes an object is called a transitive verb. In simple words you can say, if a sentence have its object, if a verb has is its object, it is incomplete without object, it is called transitive verb. Examples: Bilal reads the book. Subject is Bilal, sentence predicate is reads the book. So the predicate comprises of reads the book. Reads is verb, the book is object. So the verb is transitive verb. This verb is transitive verb. How we get to know that this verb is transitive verb? Because the sentence has its own object. Or you can say, if the verb answer us the question what or whom, it is considered as transitive verb. I'll make a question. What is Bilal reading? Or what Bilal reads? So the answer will be he reads the book. The book. So it gives me the answer. If it gives me the question of it gives me the answer of what. So the book is the answer for what. Now coming to intransitive verb. A verb that does not take an object is called an intransitive verb. A verb that does not take an object is called an intransitive verb, or you can say that it does not have an object. So the action is completed in itself. The action is completed in itself. Examples: fish swims. Subject is fish, predicate is swims. So swims is intransitive verb, it is without an object. It is without an object, so it is considered an intransitive verb. Now coming to clause. A group of words which forms parts of sentence and contain its own subject and a predicate is called a clause. What is clause? A simple sentence is considered as a clause which has its own subject and its own predicate. But sometimes a sentence may comprises of one clause or two clauses. In following sentence, the underlined groups of words are clauses. Example: she cannot attend the party. This is clause 1. As it is raining. This is clause 2. In every sentence there is one main clause or principal clause and the other one is considered as subordinate clause or dependent clause. So this sentence has two clauses. She cannot attend the party. This is one clause which is considered as main clause because it gives it full sense or sense in itself. It does not need anything else to complete his sense. As it is raining it does not give us a complete sense. It is dependent on the first part of sentence, so it is considered as dependent clause. I hope that she will win the contest. I hope, it is main clause, that she will win the contest. This is second clause. People who strive hard always succeed. People always succeed who strive hard. Now coming to example. You will succeed if you work hard. The above sentence consists of two clauses. You will succeed if you work hard. So it has two clauses. Clause number 1 is you will succeed make a good sense, and it can stand itself, so it is called the principal clause or main clause. While clause 2, if you work hard, cannot stand itself and does not make a good sense, it is dependent on the clause you will succeed, so it is called dependent clause or subordinate clause. Most of the time the subordinate clauses start with WH words or articles. WH words or conjunction. If, as, but. So this is the clue for finding the main clause and subordinate clause in a question. So in any case, if a sentence gives a complete sense in itself, it is considered as main clause, and a sentence starting with WH or any conjunction and it is dependent on the rest of the sentence, it is considered as subordinate clause. Now coming to activity, write down stanza comprehension and essay in English copy. Thank you students.